This is the fifth and final screencast teaching you how to use Skills Tutor as a teacher. This final screencast is going to show you about some of the reports you can view and print, and to find out how your students are doing. So on the home page, after you click here or when you log in, click on the Reports tab. This first tab, Data Analysis, is for viewing online only, viewing reports online only. It's not for printing. So if you just want to check information online without printing, this is the tab that you're going to want to use. Okay, under Data Analysis are product data and student data. Product data shows the average scores of your classes or assignments, and student data shows the scores for individual students. So product data is for classes, student data is for individual students. If you put your cursor on the title of a particular report, you can see a short description, or I guess you could see the question that the report answers. So there you go. When you clicked on product data, you can view summary progress reports on each class and assignment. You can also filter by date. So here's the dates that you want to look at. Here's the class you can look at, all your classes. Here's assignments you can look at. So you can do a filter from by date, by class, and by assignment. So I'm going to choose my Math 1. I'm going to choose this assignment, and here you click the update button to view your data. Since this is an example, I don't have any actual learners in this class. However, you can see all the fields under which you can get information about name, activities completed, time on task, pre-test score, lesson, post-test score. Now again, this is just for your class, not for individual students. If you click on student data, you can filter by the exact same date, class, and assignment. Choose, click the update button to get your report. I'm going to click back on the reports. So, data analysis are reports that are viewable only online. Class reports, however, are printable reports. And there are 8 different reports available here. The most commonly used reports are student detail and class usage. Student detail, class usage. I'm going to click on class usage. After you click on a report, you can filter by student and all these categories, which, if you remember, when you were enrolling a student, you could choose all of these. So this is where, when you enroll a student, entering information for all of these categories could be helpful, especially if you have a lot of students using Skills Tutor. So the more information you enter when you are initially enrolling a student, creating a student, the better. Because then when you come to the report section, you can filter. So you choose who you want to see. You can choose multiple students or just a single student, and then click the continue button down here. Then you can select by subject. You can select all the subjects or just a particular subject. Hit continue. You can select a date range. Continue. And then your report should load in PDF format. You can now print this or save the report. So in this particular example, there is no data. However, if there were, you can see that a window, a PDF file popped up, so you could save it or print it. Now, I would suggest before you choose to print a PDF, you should look at right here how many pages this report actually is. And of course, you can choose which pages you would want to choose to print. You can choose particular pages. If I click on the student detail report, again, it's the same process. I can select multiple students. Maybe I have 50 here. you can filter, click continue. You can filter again, click continue. Filter by date, click continue. Now on this one, the student detail report, again, these are, it's just an example, so there's no real data because these users aren't real. But the student detail report is 1 page per student. So the student detail report is 1 page per student. Make sure you really want to print it before you do. The final tab under Skills Tutor reports is the assignment reports, and these are also printable reports. There, as you can see, there are 4 different reports available here. The most commonly used reports here are assignment averages and student detail. They show which students are mastering their assignments. So, which of my students are mastering their work. After you click on a report, you can filter again. You can filter again, just like we did with all the other ones. Continue, student, student information, and so on. Just keep hitting continue until you get the desired report. Thanks for viewing these Skills Tutor screencasts. I hope they've been helpful. For more information, you can email the Skills Tutor administrator, malsomlian@gmail.com. His name is Som Vaipe. There's his email. Thanks for watching.